Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we demonstrate CNC EPS cutting machine cut, polystyrene insert blocks with multiple cutting wires. This is a CNC cutting machine used for cutting EPS insert blocks. The currently working table is 3000 x 2400 mm. It can hang multiple cutting wires for efficient cutting at the same time. Compared with a single cutting wire, this multiple cutting wire simultaneous cutting method greatly improves production efficiency and is suitable for batch production situations. With multiple cutting wires at the same time, not only can more quantities of insert blocks be produced at once, but it can also ensure the precision and consistency of the cutting process and improve product quality. Since this video is for testing purpose, we only hung 3 cutting wires for demonstration. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.